Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to sign out from the old devices of Google account. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, go to your Chrome browser. Now at the top left corner you'll be able to see your Google account, so click on this icon. It may be on the right side, it differs phone to phone. Now you can see your email address, click on it. Now you have to click on manage your Google account. Okay, this will lead you to this interface. Okay, now there are many options at the top portion like home, personal info, data and privacy. So our desired button is security just beside it. Then you have to scroll down, you will be able to see the section your devices. Click on manage all devices. Now you'll be able to find all the devices on which you have signed in. So you have to click on that particular devices from which you want to sign out. So let's say this is the device from which I want to sign out. So click on the sign out, click sign out again, and that's it. Click OK. That particular Google account has been signed out from that particular devices. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.